Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. I think that is what we are on about right now. I don't want to release any new music or any new video right now until everything don't settle. Mohbad guys get justice. You know if he die in vain.
And they tell still. Alright, they're making for no loss, make for no cost. Just before we come up from inside the studio, I would like make you just give people like a kind of your next move apart from this right right part and after this thing, especially this year towards December. What are your plans towards December? Because we're not near that part as it hot now.
Yeah, so my album is definitely coming. It's definitely coming.
Whether on next year you want to
No, not this year. Okay. Not this year.
So they look that November side.
Yeah. I just want the Mohbad thing to clear.
So when they talk album, like how many tracks would they expect for inside the album? So
I have 17 songs on the album.
Whoa!
Yeah.
You feature? Huh? You feature
like Mohbad is even on the album. Do you understand? That's one of the reasons why I have to just.
That's why they actually on the album. You close all these men. Before they ask you this question,
and the fact that we make music together doesn't mean that we.
Some men they like that.
I mean, when you make music, you know the right person to be on it. Yeah, I mean, and Mohbad, we go way back. We go way back before the record label or anything. Like,
you still at the top.
It was.
You still Kurudu?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you see her now? What was Zlatan? You and Zlatan not do something, Abi?
Yeah.
So many things. So would you expect one or two other this thing? What do you want call the title of the
album? Superhero Adugbo.
You don't talk before.
Superhero Adugbo. That's like neighborhood hero.
Okay, Superhero Adugbo. Okay, neighborhood hero. You want to Spider-Man? This
Nigerian music industry. Kilonshele. What is going on in the Nigerian hip-hop music industry? 2 months ago, September 12, 2023, we lost Oladips, popularly known as Mohbad. Now, yesterday, November 14th, 2023, as at 10:30 or so p.m., we lost another hip-hop singer, Oladips, popularly known as Oladips, has passed away at the age of 28 years. Ọlọ́run bá dáwọ́ ikú dúró ní àárín àwọn akọrin. But nǹkan tí mo rí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ with this young hip-hop artist? The young ones are dying. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ bá wa wá èdè kan méjì síkú yìí. Ọdún yìí náà la pàdánù Nollywood actor Murphy Afọlábí náà. Gbogbo àwọn ẹbí wọn àfàsìkò yìí rọ̀ wọ́n, a bẹ̀ wọ́n. Ọlọ́run á dá ọwọ́ ikú dúró ní ẹbí ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan wọn. Àní irú ẹ̀ mọ́, irú ẹ̀ ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwa náà pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run. Oladips, Ọlọ́run á fọ̀run kẹ́, á tẹ̀sáfẹ́fẹ́ rere, á pàṣìṣe rẹ̀. Iwájú tó dojúkọ Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ ó dá, ẹ̀yìn tó fi sílẹ̀ Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ ó bàjẹ́. Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.